Do you wake up in the morning feeling leg pain or weakness that makes it hard to walk? Today, I'll share a simple food routine that can show visible results within just 24 hours. Welcome! I'm from Great Health. If you want to age healthily and stay active, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Why legs hurt or feel weak. Leg pain often happens because of poor blood circulation, inflammation, or muscle weakness. But the good news is some common vegetables can naturally reduce these problems. Let's explore them one by one. Leafy green 1, spinach, iron, magnesium and vitamin K. Spinach is rich in iron, magnesium, and vitamin K, which improve muscle health and blood flow. Backhand index pointing right. Try eating 1 bowl of spinach soup or salad daily. You'll feel the difference in your muscle energy. On-screen text, spinach, iron, magnesium, vitamin K. Hot pepper 2, bell pepper, vitamin C for strong joints. Bell peppers are packed with vitamin C, which helps produce collagen essential for repairing joints and tissues. Backhand index pointing right. Simple tip, eat sliced bell peppers with your breakfast dip. On-screen text, bell pepper, vitamin C. Sparkles 3, turmeric veggie mix, fights inflammation. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Backhand index pointing right. Lightly sauté chopped carrots, broccoli, and green beans in olive oil with a pinch of turmeric. On-screen text, turmeric equals anti-inflammatory. Bowl with spoon 4, peas and lentils, protein plus magnesium. Peas and lentils are rich in protein and magnesium, both vital for muscle strength. Backhand index pointing right. Include lentil or pea dishes at least 3 times a week for best results. Sun morning power tip. Start your day with a bowl of oats or porridge mixed with a teaspoon of honey, some crushed walnuts, and chopped spinach. It will keep your legs strong and active all day long. Flexed biceps 7-day action challenge. Try these 3 daily habits for 7 days. 1. Eat 1 bowl of vegetables every day. 2. Add turmeric to at least 1 meal. 3. Do a light stretching routine once a day. After a week, you'll feel the improvement, more energy, less pain. If you notice a difference, comment below and share this video with elderly loved ones who need it. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips from Great Health. Herb sparkles.